Good morning, everyone. Today we are starting with chapter number 8, log on to internet. Everybody is using internet nowadays. Even our life is totally dependent upon internet. We cannot move like if you wanted to go somewhere and you don't know the route, then you have to take the help of internet for the navigation, right? So for each and every type of work, if you wanted to make a computer project or science project or social science project, you will definitely take the help of internet, right? So our life is totally dependent upon internet for one or the other thing. These days internet has left a huge impact in our life. We are taking online classes through internet connection only. If sometimes we don't have internet connection, we are not able to take the classes on that day, right? So we are totally dependent upon internet. It has brought all information to our fingertip. So whatever you wanted to search, you can directly search it on Google and it will not take even a single second. You can find that information and you can use that information. Is a vast network that connect computers all over the world. So all over the world, computers are connected with the help of internet. Through internet, people can share information. They can communicate from everywhere with an internet connection. So if you are in France or Germany or in any other country, you can communicate with each other with the help of internet connection. इंटरनेट रेफर्ड एज अ नेट और अ वेब. हम इंटरनेट को शॉर्ट फॉर्म में हम वेब भी बोलते हैं और नेट भी बोलते हैं. इट्स global network of networks. Throughout the globe, it is connecting all over the world. It is getting connected and provides information from each and every country. It is nothing like that you can search the information which is related to India only. You can search any type of information and it will be presented to you in a digital form or in an electronic form. Next is now, what is the history of internet? History of internet means internet, who has invented internet. In 1960, the US government, businesses and universities worked together to make this system. Would let computers across United States share information, जिसके through उन्होंने all over the United States they have shared the information. So they invented this system called as ARPANET. Initially we were calling it as ARPANET because at that time they were able to connect only 21 systems with each other, and those 21 systems were successfully able to communicate with each other. So Winton Sharf Wint was appointed as the head of ARPANET. He was the head of ARPANET and is most often called as father of internet also, right? So he is the founder of internet, you can say. What is now, we have many terms which we are using nowadays, but we don't know what that term exactly mean. So first is www. What is www? www is a web. So whatever you are content you are looking on the internet is called as the content is there on the web, on the internet. Shareable information on the internet is called as www. जितना भी content है, either it is a video or a picture or a document or a site or everything which is available on the internet is called as web. Each and every content which is available on the internet is called as web, or it is called as www. Web is a collection of millions of pages of information. So it can be any type of information. The information could be in a form of picture, it could be in a form of video, it could be in a form of anything. It could be in the form of sound also, like music files. So www consists of now to search this content on the internet, we normally use two different types of systems. One is called as client system and one is server system. So normally all the computers on the internet are divided into these two parts only. Either it could be a server system or it could be a client system. Now what is server system and what is client system? The system from which you are searching anything, that system is called as client system. And the system from where you are retrieving the information, that system is called as server system. So for example, आपका for example आपने गूगल पे जाके कुछ सर्च किया and Google is giving that, providing that information to you. ठीक है, so it means the system which is there in the company of Google is called as server system, and the device which you are using to search that information, like maybe you are using a mobile phone or a computer or a tab or a laptop, whatever the device you are using to search that information is called as client system. That device is called as client system. Okay, even if it is your mobile phone, then also it is called as client system. Okay, so who invented now web? Who invented www? Tim Berners-Lee. Matlab the content which can be stored digitally, that content is called as www. And who has invented this content? That person name is Tim Berners-Lee. Okay. Now next is now uses of internet. Uses of internet. Now internet can be used for surfing, to search anything on any topic, that is called as surfing. Communication, we are doing communication with the help of audio conferencing, video conferencing, using mails, WhatsApp. So this is called as communication. E-banking. E-banking, e-banking is if you are transferring money from one account to another account using credit card, debit card, net banking. So this is called as e-banking. And e-shopping, if you are purchasing something online, maybe it is grocery, maybe it is stationery, maybe it is your clothes, whatever. If you are purchasing something online, that is called as e-shopping. So E stands for electronic here. So if you are doing any type of transaction using this technology, so this is called as electronic banking or e-banking. If you are purchasing items, then this is called as e-shopping. And e-learning means if you are using some content like books or PDFs, like I just told you, to complete the question answers of chapter number 6 and 7, I have uploaded on internet on in the new software. So the PDF files which you will download from there to complete your exercise part, that is called as e-material. And e-material is called as e-learning. So you are doing e-learning in that case. Next is social networking. Social networking means like we are posting our pictures, videos, links, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, all these things you are using. So that is a part of social networking. Even WhatsApp is a part of social networking. So I think it is clear to everyone what are the uses, different uses of internet. Let's understand the uses of internet with the help of this video now. Instant messaging we are doing, and using these softwares you can do. Everybody is using it nowadays. Zoom is also used here. For email, mostly we are using Gmail. Most of the Indians who don't live in India, they can watch the Indian series or the shows using like live television using internet connection. All the news channels are also online available. So in this way, internet is useful for many different reasons. We can use internet. So today we are doing only this much. In the next class, we will continue with the hardware and software requirement which is used to access internet connection.